Yes, these are $20 Marshall earbuds from AliExpress. How is this allowed? It says ANC on there, but I can assure you it doesn't. Enjoy the peel. Oh yes, that was satisfying. Opening them up right now, and genuinely, why are they packaged so well? You get ear tips and a charger in this box. And there are the earbuds themselves. Totally legit manual as well, of course.
Bruh.
Yes, this button does not work. Shock. They feel so lightweight and just bad quality. I don't know why I am surprised. As you can see, they have the small holes on the top for the classic blue and red light that come with cheap earbuds. Great. They have surprisingly done well with the design. It looks good, to be honest. So, yeah, I tested these earbuds and I can confidently say, please don't buy them. My ears are in horror with how bad the audio is. Not worth even $5. Anyway, please subscribe to Perfect Perception, and I guess see you on my next video. Please.